How you doing? This is Dr. Monte here. I want to show you some stretches for your low back, things to help reduce your low back pain, improve your stiffness, especially that you may feel in the morning from arthritis or tight muscles, whether you're a weekend warrior or just worn out. So let's get started. We're going to lay flat, both knees bent. We're going to hold each of these stretches for 10 seconds. Let's start with one knee. You can do it with both knees bent if your back is really tight and sore. Otherwise, if you can tolerate it, straighten out the other leg. And just relax and breathe that knee to your chest. You should feel this in your low back. Not painful, just stretching. Hold that for 10 seconds. And then we relax and we bring the other knee to our chest. And you can either straighten that leg, which I straighten the leg just to get a little bit more stretch on my back, or if we need to, bring it up. Okay, there's our 10 seconds there. Now, the next one, you want to do double knees to your chest. Now you want to bring one up at a time, just like that. And pull them both up to your chest. We're going to hold that for 10 seconds. Back round, curl up, okay, and you bring one down, and the other down. So now we're going to do lower trunk rotations to get the sides of your back. So if you let your knees go one way, I have them stacked on top of each other. Keep your shoulders flat. You just go up as far as you can comfortably tolerate. You can feel this on the opposite side of the back, in the direction that your knees are going. Hold that for 10 seconds. Breathe. Back, rotate. Okay, bring it back up. And go the other direction. You can also extend one arm if you like to get a little bit more stretch. Right, and bring that top knee up and just let your hand rest on it, and it'll rotate you a little further around. Okay, there's those 10 seconds. The next one we're going to hold for 30 seconds. This is to stretch the piriformis muscle. And you cross one ankle over the opposite knee, and then bring that knee up to your chest. Reach between your legs, grab onto the knee, either the top of the knee or the back of the knee, whichever you prefer. I like the top of the knee because I have long arms. We'll hold that for 30 seconds. You should feel this stretch right in your butt cheek right there. Just let it open up and stretch out. Hold it and you breathe through it. The muscle fibers will relax more, allowing more of a stretch. This will really help those patients that have sciatic problems, individuals that have sciatic problems, my patients, you individuals. And then you switch, cross to the other side. Pull for 30 seconds. You can't get in this pretzel position, that's okay. Grab on your ankle, grab on your knee, pull it up, bring that knee towards the opposite shoulder, and you'll still feel that stretch right down there in your butt muscle. You don't have to be in such a pretzel position, but as long as you're feeling the stretch in the right place, you're getting it. Alright, so those are some stretches directly to the spine and the low back. Another stretch I'm going to show you is for the hamstrings. This is going to be another 30-second stretch. I'll show you two different ways to do this. You can grab onto the back of your knee, let your arms extend out, and then raise your foot up towards the ceiling. You have to bring your ankle towards your face. That'll really intensify it. You should feel the stretch kind of right back in here, your hamstrings, mostly right behind your hand. You can do it with your knee straight, your other knee straight, or you can do it with your knee bent. Hold that for 30 seconds. Always use a timer because the more it hurts, the quicker you tend to count. And you do that on both sides. Okay. If you sit on the edge of the chair, just like so, get your back up nice and straight, head up, toes up. Now just stick your chest forward. So I do not want you to do this. You keep your back straight. This is to protect your back, and this just really helps your hamstrings. Oftentimes you don't have to go very far forward to get that stretch. You hold that for 30 seconds. I like this one because you can do it just about anywhere. Anywhere there's a chair. Just keep that chest forward, keep your back straight. Breathe through it. And as you go, it'll release a little bit. A little bit further each time as time goes on. Good. And then you repeat to the other side. Hold for 30 seconds, remember your posture, and begin. May not feel great while you're doing it. Oh, it feels so much better when you're done. You want to stretch these hamstrings because they attach to your bottom of your pelvis. Your lower back muscles attached to the top of your pelvis. Those are 30 seconds. You want to keep those stretched so it doesn't take some strain off the back. So there's a routine for your low back stretches, your hamstring stretching to help reduce your low back pain. You want to review this video 3 different times. So you go through that series 3 times to get a really full ultimate stretched program.